Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play Rainbow Six Siege on your PC with a controller. So the first thing you need to know is that there is a few supported controllers, right? So this would be this list over here on the left hand side: the Xbox wireless controller, the Xbox Elite controller, DualShock 4, DualSense, Xbox 360 controller, Steam controller, and these will all work natively. Now, other controllers may require third-party software like DS4, Windows, or ReWust. So this will depend on what controller you actually have, right? But it's a relatively quick setup. So connect your controller before launching Rainbow Six Siege for automatic detection. So this will allow your PC to actually detect the device, okay? The game thereafter will recognize most mainstream controllers, as I mentioned previously. This will happen pretty much instantly, and then you need to apply your default settings, which are optimized for the controller play. The next thing is, if you go into your game, enable controller aim assist in settings to help you with recoil control and target tracking. This feature does bridge the gap between controller and mouse and keyboard players on PC, so it's really, really helpful.